Good morning, sir.
You come on this side, boy. What? You also come this side. Is date?
2081. What's that?
What are they? Are they saying something or am I? Say the date correctly.
2081. Ashar second.
Ashar 2nd, right?
So
2081.
one.
And modern graded science and technology. Last time who has presented in the class?
Sumit Khadga.
Sorry?
Sumit Khadga.
Sumit Khadka. And I have already reminded now presentator should not only read, they have to explain as well. Understood or not? Read it and say. But he was reading same sentence 2 times. That is so wrong. I told you to practice a lot at home and do accordingly. Why are you shaking your leg? You became dhami or what? Huh, boy? Shaking. Advantages of 5 kingdom system, it was discussed. And this exercise is completed or not? So, what is that their duty to? Exercise?
Yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Yeah. So, exercise they are going to discuss. At first, multiple choice questions are here. How many multiple choice questions? How many?
Five.
5 multiple choice questions. How many distinguish between?
4.
4 differences between are here. Answer the following questions. How many are here?
9.
Answer the following question in detail. How many are there?
11.
11. Give reasons.
4.
4. Diagrammatic question. So diagrammatic question is not discussed, right? Now we will discuss now diagrammatic question. Hey, so please read the question. What is given here? 2 organisms are given. So starfish and this is fawn. Okay. So their name we know. This is fawn.
F-E-R-N.
F-E-R-N. And what is this?
Starfish.
Starfish. And what is your
Fawn.
Okay. So identify the organisms shown in the diagram. So what is the answer? Starfish and fawn. That's good. Second question is here. Which one of them is autotrophs?
Fawn.
Which one is autotroph?
Fawn.
What do you mean by autotrophs?
They can prepare their food by their own.
Can prepare food themselves. So which one is autotroph?
Fawn.
Fawn is autotrophs.
Yes.
It is green in color. So it can manufacture food by the process called photosynthesis. Number 3, mention suitable kingdoms for them. What is the suitable kingdom? What is the kingdom of starfish? Animalia. Animalia. And what is the kingdom of fawn?
They
Plantae.
cannot prepare their food by their own. They have to depend on other animals.
Plantae and what is that? Animalia, right?
So,
Okay, last question is here. What is this? Give any 2 characteristics of each of these organisms. Can you give the characteristic of starfish? Their shape is like a star. What is first? Their shape is like a
star.
Your mind is concentrated toward that bending. This one. Catch here. Stand up. What a lazy boy is here. Without touching things, without doing this and that, they cannot stay. Body is like a star. And it moves with the help of tube feet. So while moving from one place to another, what does it use?
Tube feet.
Now fawn. What are the 2 characteristics of fawn?
They cannot locomote.
They store food in the form of
Starch.
That's right. Second one,
They cannot locomote from one place to
they
another.
contain chlorophyll. So there are many characteristics of plantae. You can write any 2. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
So this is done. Okay. Next day. Next day means tomorrow's presentation. Have I given you? Who is going to present tomorrow? Group B. Group A already completed. And then which group you belong to?
B.
Group B. So group B they will present this one. Means question answers of today. Group C. Who are the members of Group C? Group C. Who are there? Sumit,
Kingdoms.
Ritik, next
Classification.
Mohan and Karuna. Okay, please sit down. It is their duty to present on microorganisms. Microorganisms.
What about
Then next one is viruses. After viruses, plant virus, animal virus, bacteriophage, bacteria, their characteristics. Yes. So they are going to present only two microorganisms, viruses and bacteria. That is for group C. Okay. And group D? Who belong to group D? Okay, group D. Protista.
Fungi.
Only three are there, right? Microorganisms, friends and enemies, effects of microorganisms, advantages, and what is this? Commercial use. Microorganisms to increase the soil fertility. Microorganisms in cleaning the environment. Used as insecticides. Okay, then I will give you not more work. Simply Protista you have to do. Okay, group D, Protista and microorganisms, friends and enemies. Fungi, where is it? Fungi, oh. Protista and what is that? Fungi. So Protista and fungi will be explained by
Group D.
Group D. Okay, that is for Tuesday. Tomorrow I have already given Monera and no, wait. No, virus and bacteria. So fungi and protista for group C. Now group D. That is group D, right? Now group E. Where are the group E members? Group E members. Advantages or positive effects of microorganisms. And group E. That is advantage all up to here. Medication, okay? And group E. Disadvantages or negative effects of microorganisms.
Medication and here.
That is done. Group E. Okay. Group A. Methods of food preservation. Sorry. Group F is also there. Oh, Group F. Methods of food preservation. Dry preservation. Wet preservation. Cold preservation. Three. They are going to explain. Okay. Group A, other methods, pasteurization and fermentation, smoking, sugaring and salting. Then chapter finished, right? Within this week, we will complete this portion and that is the end of syllabus for first term. So in first term, how many chapters will be asked? First three chapters. What is the first chapter?
Scientific learning.
Scientific learning. What is the second chapter?
Information communication
ICT. Number three,
living beings and their structures.
living beings and their structures. So you must do much better. Why are you biting your tie, boy? Okay, stand up and catch yours. He's the vice captain. Captain, vice captains are here. Defaulters.
Plenty.
No focus on study. Okay, now presentators, please come on the stage. First, who is going to present? Ishan, right? Okay, Ishan's document we will find out. Okay, find out. And who is your Super Guru? Call your Super Guru also. Nirajan.
Excuse me.
Hello, it's Nisha. I'm from grade 8, standing in front of you to explain about present about on exercise of chapter 3. Now my topic goes like this. Now my first question is, in which kingdom does Chlamydomonas belongs to five kingdoms. First,
topics, sir?
Mone.
The options, sir.
First option is Monera, Protista, Planti, Fungi. The answer is Protista.
Again, fifth. Again,
Is the highest category of the classification. First option is division, second option is kingdom, third option is phylum, fourth option is classification. The answer is kingdom. The third question is which of the following organism is kept in kingdom Protista? First option is
cycle.
cyclone, second is amoeba, third bacteria, fourth virus. The answer is amoeba.
Fifth. Again. Question, sir.
Now third question is who is the known as the father of taxonomy? As you all know, we have read this. Uh, we have read this. With the option is Carolus Linnaeus. Second, G.J. Mendela. Third,
Aristotle.
Astroral.
Robert.
Third, Robert Hooke. The answer is Carolus Linnaeus.
Again.
Now, fifth question is which of the following the main base of classification in five kingdom classification? First option is cell wall, second structure of nucleus, third chromoplast, fourth mode of nutrition. The answer is structure of nucleus. Thank you.
So just now, recently Ishan gave the presentation. The presentation was on the topic exercises of chapter 3. So let's begin the presentation. So the first. So the first question for the presentation is about MCQS question number A. In which kingdom does the Chlamydomonas belong to kingdom classification? So Chlamydomonas is an organism. So in which type of kingdom is this species classified on? So the options are given as Monera, Protista, Plantae and Fungi. So before classifying them, so we must have to know about some of the characteristics that are of the given species Chlamydomonas. So some of the characteristics of it uh, characteristics must be known by us. So there is given options as Monera. So Monera are the type of organisms which are prokaryotes in nature, prokaryotes, and their nucleus are not very developed. So the next option is Protista, which are eukaryotes, and other two, plantae and fungi, are also eukaryotes in nature, as same as protista, plantae and fungi. But Monera are the type of unicellular organisms or microorganisms, and the correct answer is given as protista here. So we have learned about protista that they are the unicellular microorganisms. Uh, because Chlamydomonas are unicellular in nature, the correct answer is given here, protista. So the question number A is also over. So the next is here about which of the following is the highest category of classification. So the options are given below. The options are division, kingdom, phylum, and class. We have studied about this all in our junior classes, like the classes. So, can anyone name me the five classes? Five
Okay.
classes. Name of five classes.
And what are they?
The one is Pisces, yes, and Pisces is reptilia, yes, reptilia, yes, amphibian, yes, amphibian, and mammals, yes. So, is the highest category of classification known as class? No, yes. So, is it phylum? So, is it division? Is it division? No, right? So, is it kingdom? Yes, it is kingdom because it is well known all around the world and is all widely accepted by the scientists. So, the answer is kingdom. And the next question is about which of the following organism is kept in the kingdom Protista? Uh, as we again studied our Protista recently, so Protista includes unicellular organisms, unicellular microorganisms in nature, microorganisms. So it's cycon given here. So cycon, it is categorized in we have studied in phylums. Cycon is categorized into porifera, in porifera. So cycon is on the answer. Amoeba, it's given here about amoeba. I will talk it later on. Bacteria are the smaller microorganisms. Uh, so it is on also the located in the kingdom Protista. It is in the kingdom Monera. Virus is also not. So the last topic is given about amoeba. So amoeba, it is a species of kingdom Protista. It is a species of kingdom Protista. As amoeba, we can see amoeba as this. There is a nucleus, and so this is an amoeba. So this is categorized or classified into kingdom Protista. Protista, yes. Oh no. Taxonomy. So let's understand the question first. So taxonomy is the field of science that works for classifying the animals or the organisms according to their characteristics and features and their genes and their behavioral actions. So we start about it, and can anyone answer me that who was known as the father of taxonomy? Yes. So it is given Carolus Linnaeus. He was a Swedish ecologist. He proposed the top taxonomy for the first time. So the other options, Jesus Mendel, Aristotle, and Robert Hooke aren't the answer. So let me begin the last question. So the last question is here about which of the following is the main basis of classification, five kingdom classification. Uh, so again, it's a question for you all. So who proposed the five kingdom classification? As the first two kingdom of classification were done by Carolus Linnaeus. Yes, yes, it is Robert Harding Whittaker. Robert Harding Whittaker proposed the five kingdom of classification. So the options are given: cell wall, and structure of nucleus, chromoplast, and mode of nutrition. So it is given which of the following is the main basis. Which of the following place for the classification in five kingdom classification? It's given here about cell wall. We know that cell wall is present in plant cell, and is absent in animal cell, so it cannot be the answer. And it's given about structure of nucleus. Structure of nucleus. Uh, it's a nucleus. It's a cell, and it's the nucleus. Nucleus. Nucleus is also known as the brain of the cell and control center of the cell. So it's given a structure of this nucleus. If the we also studied about prokaryotes and eukaryotes, it is the nucleus. So if the nucleus is too much well developed in a cell or an organism, then the type of kingdom species are known as the eukaryotes. Eukaryotes. And if it is not developed, then they are known as prokaryotes. So does it plays an important role for this classification of five kingdom classification? Yes, yes, it is. So it plays a very huge role for the structure of classification for the five kingdom classification, as all the activities done inside the cell is controlled by the structure of nucleus, and the other options aren't the correct one. So now it's from distinguish between. So I would like to call my group, uh, call the member for the explanation of this topic. फिर again.
That one. Prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes is considered as Monera, and eukaryotes is considered as Protista. In the first point, the nucleus is not well developed. Their body systems are not much developed. Their nucleus is advanced and developed. Yeah. Their body systems are totally developed.
Explain.
Their body systems are not much developed. Eukaryotes' nucleus is advanced and developed, and their body systems are totally developed.
फिर again. फिर
Huh? Monera and Protista. Monera includes simplest and less developed organisms such as bacteria and mycoplasma. Protista includes some motile microorganisms. Some, except some others like Plasmodium. In the first point, they are prokaryotic organisms, and their cell walls is made up of peptidoglycan. They are Protista, they are eukaryotic organisms. So only some of them have cell wall, and it is made up of cellulose. Uh, Monera are prokaryotic organisms. Their cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan, made up of cellulose.
Okay, remaining we will do tomorrow, right? So thank you very much. Actually, there is one saying: time and tide wait for none, right? Yes or no? And the slides are fabulous. Very nicely they are made, right? Give a big round of applause. Yes, good. So, actually, we wanted to discuss much more things, but we could not discuss everything. So, tomorrow, remaining portion will be explained tomorrow, and there will be presentation from Group C as well. Understood, Anand? Okay? And your today's homework is to complete the MCQ and distinguish between. Okay? Thank you.